This is a quick update for those that actually mine Azen protocol. There is a new update for everyone to take note of and to take action immediately. As you know for sure that the mining session of Azen protocol has actually come to an end. What we are presently doing now is performing tasks on the Azen hub, and that is what we are actually doing. And as you can see, if you want to perform your task, let me quickly perform my task. So today you go to any on the task bar, then after you click on any, you're going to check in for the day. That is daily check-in. Let it open up so that we check in for the day. So for us to check in, you click on this black button here for us to check in. So we have gotten a reward for checking in for the day. Then the next thing is we don't have any other available tasks under. We will have performed the task, but we don't have any. So let's go back to the home page. If you look at the three buttons at the top here, before there was nothing like a TGE pad. So now we can have, we are having an option of TGE pad, which is a button instructing us to actually update something or insert our wallet details. Now this is what they posted in their X handle in regards to that. So if you open their X handle, you're going to see it there. Let it open up. So as you can see, this is their X handle that is instructing us to supply our wallet details. If you see at the bottom, note, got launchpad and link your exchange. That is either Bybit or Gate.io. Then after that, you're also going to supply your UID and your EVM deposit address. This is your EVM deposit address in Bybit or Gate.io. EVM, that is you're talking about the Ethereum. That is the word we're supplying to them. So let's quickly go back to the app environment so that we do it together. So in case you are mining Azen protocol, you're going to see the step on how to actually connect your wallet, your EVM wallet, either in your Bybit or Gate.io. Though for this tutorial, I'm actually going to be doing that of Bybit because Bybit is what I prefer use. So we click on the third button at the right hand corner. So you're going to see TGE pad. So click on TGE pad. When you click on TGE pad, you're going to see the two different exchangers, which are Gate.io and Bybit. So I said you're going to be doing that of Bybit. Click on Bybit. So when you click on Bybit, you're going to see two things you need to supply, which the first one is wallet address. So just like I said earlier on, we are supplying EVM wallet address, which is Ethereum wallet address. That is what we're going to be supplying here. That is the wallet we're going to be putting here. Then your Bybit UID. So you're going to see how to get your Bybit UID. Now let's go to our Bybit. Let's open our Bybit now to get those things we needed. So this is my Bybit. So getting here, we click on asset. We want to get our Ethereum wallet address. So after you must have clicked on asset, you're going to locate deposit. This deposit at the left hand side here. Click on deposit. You click on deposit. So after clicking on deposit, you come down, you click on deposit crypto. Deposit crypto. So having clicked on that, you locate Ethereum. You can see ETH here under recommended. So you click on ETH, which is Ethereum. ETH. So you check on the first option here, which is Ethereum ERC20. So that is the wallet we are looking for, Ethereum ERC20. So this is the address you're looking for here. So you copy this address by checking on the key here. So we have actually copied it. So we go back to Azen protocol environment. Sorry, let's go back to the mining environment. Good. So we're going to paste our wallet, the wallet we have actually copied there. The wallet we copied from our Bybit, we're going to paste it here. So click to paste. Good. So we have succeeded in pasting our wallet there. That is the EVM wallet, which is Ethereum ERC20. So now the next thing is our UID number. So your UID number, we go back to the Bybit. So when we get to Bybit, let's go back, arrow back, click on arrow back, go back. Good. So we click on this home, click on home. So on this home, go to the top left hand corner where you see like head of a person there. So you click on that, click on it. Good. So this is the profile, this is my profile now. So beside where my username is written, you're going to see UID immediately below it. So that is the UID we want to copy and go to paste into Azen protocol environment. So beside it, you're going to see a button. You click to copy that number. So you quickly copy, you quickly check that button. That's not copied. Good. So we have copied the number now. So we come back to the mining environment. We come back here and click on the space there and paste the UID number. Paste the UID number. So those are the two things we need to do. So after that, you click confirm. Click on confirm. So we can see add successful. We have succeeded in adding our EVM wallet to Azen protocol environment. So that is all we are asked to do, and having done that, we'll be awaiting the day of listing. So for now, there is no other things to do in this Azen protocol mine hub. Only what we need to be doing, pending the time that the token will be released to us, is for us to keep checking in here and claim our daily check-in reward, and also perform the daily tasks that we will be given to perform on daily basis. Then pending the time that the final launching will happen. The mining is an protocol. Thank you very much. So if you like a content like this and you wouldn't want to miss an important update on some of the airdrop and mining hubs that will benefit you or that you want to be part of, I always encourage you, as you are watching, to click on the follow button and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss out on important information as this. Catch you in my next video. Bye.